Do you sometimes struggle to find balance and take care of yourself amidst the busyness of life? If so, you're not alone. Welcome back to PlantyHome. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Today, we're exploring essential self-care practices for a balanced life. We'll discuss simple, effective ways to nurture your well-being and how incorporating nature can enhance your self-care routine. Let's get started. The importance of self-care. Self-care is crucial for maintaining balance and well-being. It's not just about pampering yourself, but about ensuring you're physically, mentally, and emotionally healthy. Why self-care matters? Regular self-care helps reduce stress, prevent burnout, and improve overall quality of life. It allows you to recharge and stay resilient in the face of life's challenges. Types of self-care. Self-care can be categorized into physical, emotional, mental, and social practices. Incorporating a variety of these practices ensures a well-rounded approach to your well-being. Incorporating nature into your self-care routine. Connecting with nature is a powerful way to enhance your self-care routine. Here's how you can bring the calming effects of nature into your daily life. Number 1. Daily nature walks. Spend some time each day walking outside. Fresh air, natural light, and the beauty of the outdoors can significantly boost your mood and reduce stress. Number 2. Indoor plants. Surround yourself with indoor plants. They not only improve air quality but also create a soothing environment that can enhance relaxation and focus. Number 3. Mindful moments in nature. Take a few minutes each day to sit quietly and appreciate your natural surroundings. Mindfulness in nature can help center your thoughts and bring a sense of peace. Simple self-care practices to try. Here are some practical self-care practices that can easily be integrated into your routine for a more balanced life. Number 1. Morning rituals. Start your day with a calming morning ritual. Whether it's stretching, meditation, or enjoying a healthy breakfast, setting a positive tone for your day can make a big difference. Number 2. Healthy eating. Focus on nourishing your body with balanced, nutritious meals. Eating well supports physical health and contributes to overall well-being. Number 3. Physical activity. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Activities like yoga, walking, or even gentle stretching can boost your energy levels and enhance your mood. Number 4. Relaxation techniques. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or taking a warm bath. These practices help reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. Number 5. Quality sleep. Ensure you're getting enough restful sleep. Good sleep is essential for physical recovery and mental clarity. Balancing social connections. Maintaining meaningful social connections is also an important aspect of self-care. Here's how to nurture your relationships while keeping a balanced life. Number 1. Stay connected. Make time for relationships that matter. Whether it's through regular calls, visits, or virtual hangouts, staying connected with loved ones can provide emotional support and joy. Number 2. Set boundaries. Learn to set boundaries to protect your personal time and energy. It's important to balance social commitments with time for yourself. Number 3. Engage in positive interactions. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Positive interactions can enhance your mood and contribute to a balanced life. Integrating self-care practices into your daily routine is essential for maintaining a balanced and fulfilling life. By connecting with nature, nurturing your body and mind, and fostering positive relationships, you can create a routine that supports your well-being and resilience. If you enjoyed these tips, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends, and leave a comment below with your own self-care practices or any questions you have. Don't forget to subscribe for more plant care advice and lifestyle inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.